cockpit demo is an actual videography. Each video showcases real-time videography of the operational NeuroGov Plus cockpit, demonstrating actual governance workflows, evidence review, Analyzer 1.0 decision control, policy validation, and assure audit readiness. Risk and Control Matrix Governed Intelligence in Action. The NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, Risk and Control Matrix represents one of the most important foundations of governed enterprise intelligence. It transforms raw operational risk into structured, explainable, and auditable governance actions using the IGA 2026 architecture. Instead of allowing AI outputs to directly trigger enterprise execution, the matrix ensures that every operational signal is evaluated through governance controls before authority is granted. This creates a controlled intelligence environment where risk, compliance, performance, and accountability remain continuously aligned. At the center of this framework is the principle that intelligence alone is insufficient for enterprise trust. Modern AI systems can generate forecasts, recommendations, and predictions, but without governance they may introduce instability, compliance exposure, or operational failures. The Risk and Control Matrix addresses this gap by linking measurable indicators such as TSI, RMSE, and OSI with structured control mechanisms and governance actions. This converts AI from a prediction engine into a governed decision support infrastructure. The first major governance scenario shown in the matrix is model instability. When RMSE begins rising, it indicates that prediction reliability is weakening and operational confidence may be declining. Under IGA 2026, this signal does not automatically stop operations, instead, it activates the release gate mechanism. The release gate evaluates stability across multiple operational cycles before permission is granted. If instability persists, the governance action becomes hold, preventing uncontrolled execution and protecting enterprise operations from unreliable intelligence outputs. The second scenario focuses on compliance breach detection through policy mismatch indicators. In many organizations, AI systems can unintentionally violate regulatory, policy, or institutional standards if governance checks are absent. The policy engine inside Analyzer 1.0 continuously validates outputs against approved governance frameworks. When a mismatch occurs, the system immediately triggers a block action, ensuring that non-compliant intelligence cannot proceed into operational execution. This creates a regulator-ready governance boundary that is transparent and auditable. Operational risk management forms the third governance layer. When TSI values increase, it indicates rising operational pressure, resource imbalance, workflow instability, or organizational stress. Instead of directly shutting down processes, NeuroGov Plus introduces monitoring-based governance. This intelligent monitoring layer enables management to intervene, stabilize operations, and rebalance support structures before critical failure occurs. Under this condition, the governance decision becomes condition, meaning operations may continue under supervised controls and enhanced observation. The fourth governance condition addresses poor outcome scenarios through falling OSI values. A decline in OSI indicates that organizational outcomes are no longer meeting desired strategic or operational targets. Rather than blaming intelligence generation itself, the governance framework activates process improvement mechanisms. This reinforces the principle that governed intelligence must continuously evolve through operational learning and corrective action. In such conditions, the system again recommends hold until process refinement improves outcome quality and enterprise stability. A major strength of the Risk and Control Matrix is its integration into the Inform Rightward Arrow Govern Rightward Arrow Assure architecture of IGA 2026. Inform generates intelligence, trends, and predictive signals through AI and the 3D, 10D cognitive cube. Govern evaluates those signals through Analyzer 1.0, KPI rightward arrow TSI rightward arrow OSI logic, RMSE controls, and policy validation. Assure then records every governance action, decision trail, evidence object, and operational response for auditability and institutional accountability. This separation ensures that AI never directly becomes authority. The matrix also demonstrates how enterprise governance can become proactive rather than reactive. Traditional systems often detect problems only after operational damage has already occurred. NeuroGov Plus changes this by embedding governance checkpoints before execution approval. By continuously monitoring RMSE, TSI, OSI, and policy compliance, organizations gain the ability to prevent instability, reduce risk exposure, and maintain controlled operational continuity. This creates stronger resilience for finance, healthcare, manufacturing, education, ESG, and government ecosystems. From a decision support system perspective, the risk and control matrix acts as a live governance engine for management. Executives, auditors, operational leaders, and governance teams can instantly understand whether a situation requires hold, condition, or block actions. Instead of depending solely on human intuition or fragmented reports, the cockpit provides governed intelligence with structured interpretation and policy-linked control recommendations. This significantly improves strategic clarity, accountability, and enterprise confidence. The architecture behind this matrix also reflects a broader transformation in the AI industry. Most AI systems today focus primarily on intelligence generation, automation, or prediction. NeuroGov Plus introduces a higher maturity layer where governance becomes the operational authority above intelligence generation. This positions the framework not merely as an AI dashboard or analytics platform, but as a governed enterprise intelligence infrastructure designed for long-term institutional deployment. Summary. The risk and control matrix demonstrates how NeuroGov Plus, advanced AI, transforms AI from uncontrolled prediction into governed, explainable, and accountable enterprise intelligence. By linking RMSE, TSI, OSI, release gates, policy engines, and governance actions together, the framework ensures that every operational decision passes through structured controls before execution. This creates safer, regulator-ready, audit-ready, and enterprise-ready intelligence systems aligned with the principles of IGA 2026. Power Summary. Intelligence without governance creates enterprise risk. Governance without assurance creates uncertainty. NeuroGov Plus unifies AI intelligence, Analyzer 1.0 governance, and Assure accountability into a controlled decision infrastructure where AI thinks, governance decides, and Assure proves. About Dr. Pradeep K. Suri. Dr. Pradeep K. Suri is the inventor and architect of the 3D, 10D AI DNN engine, Cognitive Cube, Analyzer 1.0, and NeuroGov Plus, Advanced AI, built on the IGA 2026 architecture. His work focuses on transforming artificial intelligence from prediction-oriented systems into governed enterprise intelligence platforms that integrate governance, policy validation, explainability, auditability, accountability, and controlled execution. Through the Inform Rightward Arrow Govern Rightward Arrow Assure model, Dr. Suri's architecture establishes a new direction for enterprise AI where intelligence generation remains separated from governance authority, enabling safer, policy-driven, and institution-ready AI ecosystems for the future. AGI thinks. Analyzer 1.0 evaluates. Policy defines truth. NeuroGov Plus governs execution. Assure guarantees accountability. Intelligence never equals authority. Under IGA 2026, AI remains advisory in Inform, governance decides in Govern, and audit evidence is protected in Assure. This is the shift from predictive AI to governed, accountable enterprise decision systems. Intelligence, forecasts, RMSE, scenario signals, and pattern discovery. It informs but does not execute authority.